everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today I have another Kmart haul for you guys. Surprise, surprise. But the surprise is it's mostly beauty products this time, not so much home decor. That one's next. So I just thought I'd show you a few of the beauty items that I picked up from Kmart last week. And yeah, I'll take you through and show you what I bought. I don't have my docket here, so I don't know exactly how much everything was, but I can kind of remember most of it. So we'll start off with this facial cleansing brush. This is a Kmart brand facial cleansing brush, and I guess it's sort of a knockoff of the Clarisonic. It's like a vibrating facial brush. It comes with 2 brush heads, 2 foam heads, and it has a 1-hour charging time. So, and that was around $29, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was about $29. So I'm pretty keen to give that one a try out because yeah, I have thought about purchasing the Clarisonics and those type of brushes, but I just couldn't really justify the amount that they were, so I thought for $29 I'd just give this one a go. So yep, that's the first thing I've purchased. Also, along the lines of electronic devices, I bought this facial beauty trimmer. So it's a 4-piece set, and it says it's ideal for face or body, and it's compact and discreet. I'm not sure why it needs to be discreet, but anyway. So yeah, I think it's basically like a small facial razor type brush. It's a battery powered one, and you know, to get sort of your bum fluff off your face and all of that. Maybe trim any hairs like around your eyebrows and like lip or chin, anything like that. So that was only about $5, so I thought, yeah, for $5 I'll give that one a try. And then another thing I found there in that same section was this heated eyelash curler. And also, again, this is a battery powered tool, and this was $5, and it says it's temperature ready. It's got a temperature ready indicator, and it curls and lifts eyelashes. So yeah, I've never really seen anything like that before, so I will hopefully give that a go and try not to burn my eyeballs. The next couple of things I bought from the Kmart range. Now I think this is their own brand of products because they're all super cheap. And these are some bath fizzes. The orange one is a Renew bath fizz with vitamin C. And this green one is a revitalizing bath fizz with chia seed oil. This one's got like a fresh grass type smell about it, and this one obviously has got more of a citrusy. So yeah, it's an apricot kernel oil with sweet orange and geranium, and that's pretty much what I can smell. I can smell the apricot and the citrusy sort of smell. And this one contains chia seeds, shea butter, and lemongrass, and is it lang lang or yang yang? I never know how to pronounce that. That Y-L-A-N-G, I'm not sure. But yeah, they smell quite nice, and they were, I think, $5 each. I have 2 of these, and they're an exfoliating body bar soap. This one's in coffee and charcoal, and this one is in green tea and pink clay. So, and it says to apply to wet skin, lather and rinse well. So I think there's 2 bars in each packet, obviously. And yeah, I'm pretty keen to give those a try as well. This one I'm actually really interested in because I like anything with like coffee and charcoal, like as far as, you know, body scrubs and things like that. So, and I think those were maybe $5 a packet as well. Then also from the Kmart brand is this hair treatment mask. Oh yeah, that's nice and fresh. This is a hair treatment mask with chia seed oil. Contains jojoba oil, lemongrass and lang lang. I'm not sure. So that's a hair treatment container there. It's quite a big container. It's 200 ml, and I think that was only $3. So, and it smells really nice. Like, I'm not really great at describing them, but got a bit of a Pantene shampoo smell about it. So that one's quite nice. Then I have 2 body scrubs here, again from the same sort of Kmart range, and these are actually the same fragrances as the bath fizzers. So I've got one body scrub with the chia seed oil and one body scrub with the vitamin C. So I'll have a look inside there. It's like very scrubby looking, and it actually smells really nice too. So that's the chia seed body scrub, and then the, oh, this one smells good. Again, very citrusy, very orangey smelling. That one, I don't know if you can see in there. So yeah, they smell quite nice actually, and you know, for $3, why not? I mean, I actually love the Body Shop stuff, but that's just getting really pricey now, and yeah, I don't know. I just thought, well, I'll give them a go. If they're crap, it's only $3. And I also picked up a couple more of these face mask capsules. One in Rose Hip, and this is a moisturizing one. I'm not sure if I picked these up the same flavors of these anyway. Fragrances of these in my last haul. And then this one's a carrot seed, which is nourishing. So they're only $3 for like a single serve tub, and they're quite good. I haven't tried the other ones yet. I might actually try them this week, and I'll maybe do a little bit of a review on those. The next couple of items I got, again, they are, in my Kmart, they only seem to have the complete, well, not, I don't know if it's the complete range, but they had quite a big range of the chia seed oil fragrance and the vitamin C fragrance. I'm pretty sure they do other fragrances as well, but they just didn't have a lot of the stuff on the shelf. So these are a facial oil, and it says you can apply a small amount onto the face after cleansing. So I guess it's just sort of a moisturizing oil. Again, that one in the vitamin C range and that one in the chia seed oil. And they just, I think they were $3 as well, and they just come in like a little eyedropper. And yeah, they smell the same as the rest of the range. So they actually smell quite nice. I like anything in like little eyedropper bottles. To me, it looks expensive, even though it's only $3. And then the other couple of items I picked up were the Argan Oil hair care range, again from Kmart. Each one of these was only $3. So I bought the Argan Oil Shampoo, the Argan Oil Conditioner, and then this one's like a conditioning spray for the hair. So not a hair spray, but like a leave-in conditioning oil. And these actually smell really nice. I love anything with the Argan Oil fragrance or Moroccan oil. Yeah, these actually are really nicely smelling. And like I said, they're only $3 each. So I thought I'd give those a go as well. And I also picked up a pair of scrubbing gloves or exfoliating gloves, because I've been using those shower poofs, and I don't know, sometimes I don't feel like they can sort of scrub your skin as well as these things can, and these are actually sort of more convenient because you can just put them on and scrub away. So I thought I'd get a pair of those. So that's it as far as the beauty products go. I did pick up just a couple more stationery items because God knows I just don't have enough. And they keep bringing out all this pretty rose gold stuff, so I just have to buy it. So this is an A4 pack of 3 notebooks. You can see here the ones that come in the pack. I'll actually open it and show you. They're just plain lined inside. So we've got a white with rose gold dots. We have a light pink and gold lined pattern. And then we've got a sort of a bubblegum pink with some white and gold squares on it. So, I mean, notebooks like these always come in handy, and I love having nice, pretty notebooks. I'm even probably going to be taking a few of these to work and setting my desk up with a bit of the rose gold stuff as well. And then also, but this is a hardcover A4 size notebook in a very light pink with gold dots, and it also has gold on the page edges as well, and that's just plain lined inside as well. So the 3-pack of books I think were $3. I think this one was $3. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me, but either 3 or 5. I'm not 100% sure. I also picked up this little desk weekly planner. It's like a long strip and you can just sort of tear off each sheet. I actually think I might be taking this one to work and having this on my desk just so I can jot down any notes for each day that I need to do. And this again I think was about $3 as well, and it's got the pink with the gold dots. I thought that was quite cute. And also, this is not my normal rose gold, but I really love the black with the gold stars. So this is just a plain A5 sized notebook. I might even give this to my son if he needs a book, but I just really loved the black with the gold stars. I just thought it sort of stood out quite nicely, and that was $3 as well. And last but not least, I bought this pack of post-it notes. I have never seen these before in Kmart, and I wish they had sort of a rose gold theme, one of them, but these I'm actually going to take to work and have these at work as well, because we always need like little sticky note things. And this packet was $3 as well. I'm not sure if this is really, really new or really, really old. So, because like I said, I hadn't seen it before, and it didn't look like it was like a new item on the shelf. They just had like a couple of them sitting there like randomly. So I'm not sure if they still have these or not. But yeah, so that's just a little post-it note for $3. And that's it as far as my Kmart haul goes. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Does anyone else use their teeth? Oh, for God's sakes. This is not going to come off easy, is it? If that was Nutella, I'd lick it.